Today I will show you how to be the first in Snipe Kanye's new meme coin. So as you can see, we will use Bloom's Solana Telegram bot. It is 100% safe and official. All the links you will be able to find below. Let's start. First of all, we need to choose an FAK mode. Here you can see all the configs you have ever created. After you click on the creation button, a large menu with a lot of shit drops out and we gotta find out what is important and what is not. The most basic things: wallet, where you deposited Solana. Then if you want to, you can change config's name. For example, we will Snipe Kanye, so I will name it easy. I want to repeat that this bot is wild. Later in this video I will show you a Chrome extension which works with it, and sniping becomes way easier. Then you should choose your region to get the notification as fast as it is possible. After choosing it, we need to decide where do we want to snap it. Firstly, CA will be posted in Twitter, so we don't have other options, and choose it. Then we need to choose the amount of SOL we want to use for sniping. In my case, it is 0.3. Now fee. If you don't put enough, you won't be able to buy coin and sit without your profit, unfortunately. Slippage is one of the most important things you have to use. I recommend between 20 and 25 because during first minutes or hours, tokens are really volatile and price can dump and pump really fast. Mu protect we should turn off because our bot won't be able to buy tokens for us because of the high slippage percent. It will just decline our transactions. Auto tip we are skipping to because we don't need it if this amount is big enough. After all the technical stuff, we need to choose Kanye's Twitter. We go to Twitter and copy his profile's link and paste it into bot. After checking if it was set correctly, we need to choose options for sniping. I recommend tweet and bio update because they are the safest options. We can know what Ken is thinking about, and in case to decrease risk, choose only the two options. Migrations we skip to because they won't happen during CA's posting. It will happen before or in future, but in future we don't care because we'll have all our tokens bought. Minimum and maximum market cap, I think everything is pretty simple. It is price when we can buy our tokens of all tokens on the market. That means that we will buy them when total supply is between $1 and $100 million. After creating our config, make sure that you turn it on, and congratulations, you are ready to snipe new meme coin. After successfully creating a config, go to bot's bio, choose topic with buy sell stats, and open quick panel. Here you can see a list of decks which are supported with Chrome extension. Now I will show you its interface. Here you can choose a region and amount, but for more settings you gotta click settings. Here you can see already mine created preset. Everything is almost the same like in Telegram series. You choose price, amount in percents of selling and buying. Here is how it works. You go to the one of supported decks, choose token, and here we go. You can see a menu of our bot where you interact with chosen coin, buy it, sell it, and so on. I will leave a link to my preset below. Wish you good profits and luck.